Hi, this is Armila, franchise consultant of Unified Products and Services. For this video, I'll show you how to process bills payment for PLDT postpaid accounts. And I'll be using web access for this. Okay, I already have my credentials saved. Just logged in. Just log in. And then when you're logged in, just click on that icon on the uppermost left. Then select Bills Payment. Then Telecom. Select PLDT. Then just input account number, subscriber's name, amount to be paid, and your own transaction password. Once you have all the information, just click submit. And in a few minutes, the system will be generating a transaction number. That's your receipt. There you have it. Just click on the blue font transaction number. You'll be directed to a different tab. Here you have it. You can either print it or just screenshot and then give it to your customer. For me, I just did a screenshot for this and then just send it over Messenger. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.